Hey guys, check it out, my new Parrior motor-driven cordless glue gun. Guys, I don't know about you, but I love doing arts and crafts, and this glue gun is the most convenient one ever. It is cordless. You have the base where you can charge it. In order to use your glue gun, all you have to do is put the glue tube inside, press the power button, and it will have a red blinking light while it's warming it up, so it won't take long. All you have to do is wait, and then once it becomes green, you're ready to go. You'll have no problem understanding and using this hot glue gun. The menu is very easy to understand. You also have this USB-C cord. Look how nice it works. Well, check the link below to get yours. See you next video. Hopefully we'll have some projects going. Bye!